You are listening to the Future Proof Operations podcast. The manufacturing sector is evolving, and the work that happens on the front line is the key to driving future readiness. On each episode, we bring you conversations with global leaders in industrial companies. Our goal is to discuss trends, stories, and people in digital manufacturing, and offer the latest insight into solutions. Subscribe and be sure to check out our website for more resources at operations1.com. I'm your podcast host, Benjamin Brockmann. This episode is brought to you by Operations1. Operations1 is the leading platform to bring operations to a new level of excellence. By supporting frontline operations from planning to execution to analytics, companies benefit from an empowered workforce, increased operational excellence, and future-proof operations. Visit operations1.com for more information. There's a strong chance that you are listening to this podcast in front of your computer. Maybe you are working at your desk, in your company's office, or your home office. What I find remarkable is that 80% of the global workforce doesn't sit at a desk to do their jobs. They don't have a dedicated office or desk. These workers are called deskless workforce. How do we make sure that the deskless workforce gets the tools and systems it needs to keep up with the fast-changing world of technology? And how can we ensure that tools and systems set up today will be relevant and useful in future? When I started to think of future-proof operations, I realized that most of the relevant success factors for efficient operations are connected to human workers. Their work on the production floor or in the field made me realize one important fact. No matter which transformation or project we envision to improve operations, we need a strong and motivated human workforce that adopts it. I'm honored to be able to work on solutions that benefit these hard workers. In this podcast, I will talk about future-proof operations. I sit together with inspiring people, global leaders, and experts. In conversation with them, we will find out which trends exist or may appear. We will dig deep into interesting stories and talk facts and figures. We will cover topics around operational excellence, trends and technology, or smart factory. Operational complexity is increasing due to shorter product life cycles and high growth in product customizations. In addition, skilled labor is harder to find. This is due to a bunch of different factors, including higher academization, urbanization, and demographic shifts. These big trends need new ways of thinking to counteract them. With the right measures, operations can be pushed to a new level. You should listen to this podcast if you want to understand where digital manufacturing is going. The podcast should provide you with impulses and ideas to reach the next level, the future-proof operations level. Thank you for listening, and we hope you found this episode valuable. If you enjoyed the show, please leave us a 5-star review. You can find more information and resources at operations1.com. This episode is brought to you by Operations1. Operations1 is the leading platform to bring operations to a new level of excellence. By supporting frontline operations from planning to execution to analytics, companies benefit from an empowered workforce, increased operational excellence, and future-proof operations. Visit operations1.com for more information.